Today I'm putting on my pepper plants. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I've left them in a bit too long, just like typical me, and they're even trying to grow out of it now at the side. And I should have nipped them out ages ago because some of them are getting flowers on, flower buds, and that's going to have to go. And there is also a little surprise in here. I don't know if you can see it from here, but I will show you later on in the video. So here is my first chilli plant I'm going to put on. Take this out. Now, can you believe that huge plant has grown from this tiny little pot? I sowed these back in January, then potted them on February, and I'm only just doing this now in April. That is bad of me. Full sides up. So you cut out the chilli plant after the 4th true leaf. The very 2 bottom ones are the seedling leaves. They don't really need to be on anymore. So if I wanted, I could just take them off, it doesn't matter. They fall off anyway naturally. And now I'll count the first 4 true leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all this new growth is gone. This one didn't have any flowers on. Actually, no. So now what that will do is it will start getting branches and it will become more bushier and hopefully straighten up a bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has got a flower on, but it's going. I think it's got too close to the light there. So it's a shame. Take off the seedling leaves as well. I'm just going to take that off. You can see all the roots, and the roots at the top. Now, if I'd done this weeks ago, they would have been a lot more bushier by now. I might leave some just like this to see how they grow, and cut some and leave some like this. What do you think? And some of them really do look damaged because they've been in the pot for too long. But they will grow new leaves. So I'm just going to carry on doing the rest. If I get anything unusual, I'll put the camera back on. At this one, you can see all the roots there. That's where the seedling leaves were. You can just see how it's trying to bush out a little bit. I'm going to leave that one like that, not pinch it out. It's got a little flower on. But these are the chili peppers I done. These are at a good stage to be potting on. Hot chili peppers. The rest are sweet peppers. And this is the little surprise I was telling you about. It happens that I left my compost in the greenhouse last summer and my tomatoes must have fell in because I've now got tomatoes growing out of the compost. And I bet these are black cherry tomatoes because they're the only tomatoes I grew last year. But the only thing it's done is not help this little fellow. I mean, it's in the size of this compared to this. So I already made a start on this last night, and I've got 3 chili peppers and 1 hot chili for my sister-in-law. And what else? 2 chilies for my neighbour. So I'll put them to the side. This has already got flowers on, look. And I've already gave 4 to another friend, and this is what I've got left. So I started some off last night already, which are in here. They have been pinched out already, and I've left a few just not pinched out. I'll decide what to do with that in the end. I have tomatoes growing out of these, which I didn't have tomatoes growing out of my compost last year, so I know it must be my black cherry tomatoes because it's the only tomatoes I grew last year. So I'm going to try and pinch them out because I was a bit behind sowing my tomatoes. So I'll do that now. There's a lot of roots here, so I still think it's worth it. Oh, that was done professionally. I just take the seedling leaves off just so I can plant it a bit deeper. And then I'm going to pinch it out. So the seedling leaves are gone. You leave 4 true leaves on, which I might leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 on this one. And just pinch out the top. And that one's done. Now I'll cut off this little tomato plant. Don't know if it's going to grow very well. See what happens to it really. And the same for this one. So seedling leaves, you can see they look different to the true leaves. And you can see the little roots coming at the bottom. So I'm going to try and plant it up to here in the pot. That seems a bit harsh when you first do it because you've grew it all that time, and especially when flowers start to grow on the top. So I've just left a few of them without nipping the tops out because I've got that many anyway. I can just do a little experiment. So I'm just going to put these on off camera because you know what I'll be doing there. This one desperately needs planting. I'm not too bothered about destroy the tomato plants because I've got some growing in the greenhouse, but it would be nice to get the one that's a bit more grown than the ones I have in the greenhouse that are this small. That's them separated. You can see the seedling leaves there. Actually, I'll take these off as well just to plant it a little bit deeper. And then that way it will grow more roots and be a healthier plant. It smells very tomatoey in here. After moving that. Cool little thing. You've got your own pot to yourself now. I really wish I'd done this a month ago, but things happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to cut this because... Why am I cutting it? Actually, I'm going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to leave 6 plant leaves on this because it's a bit small. Snip out the top. Got 2 more chilli plants to go. Hot chilies. Put the label back in so we don't forget it's a hot chili pepper. And that's my 3 chili peppers. My 3 hot chili peppers. I'm giving 1 to my sister-in-law. And I've got, where's my tomatoes? 2 tomatoes so far. This one might not come of anything. And I'm just going to do them off camera quickly. That is everything done now, including them. Them for my sister-in-law. She's got compost and pots, so I'm just going to give her these pots in case she hasn't got the size. These, I've left a few like this and this that haven't been cut off. That's for my allotment neighbour. I got 4 tomatoes, and there's the hot chili peppers. So they don't really look like much. Some I've left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one's got 7, but some I left a bit more on just to see if it would go taller, which it will. and some have only got 4 on. So this is one that hasn't been cut off, and this is one that has. I might get a pepper plant early with this one. Now I'm just going to put them all, as much as I can, back on the heat tray, and the rest are just going to have to survive on the windowsill. I'm going to give them a little feed and water with this. I'm just going to water from the bottom. There. And that is them ready to bush out. I would put them in the greenhouse normally by now, but we're still getting really cold, frosty mornings, and we had snow the other day, so they're staying there for now. And here are the other ones, 4 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4 peppers. Give them a little water before I go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and comment. I always reply to my comments. Bye!